now that we have it on the tripod, we're gonna repeat the same process. Cutting the cable to measure. Strip the cable. Green in one side, brown, these two in the middle. And we have the green and white. I mean the yellow and white. Yellow. At the other end we have the brown and stripes. We get the yellow, the green and white stripes on this side, the green here, and in the middle will go the two blues. Blues in the center, blue and white on the other side. Straighten them up as much as you can. Cut it. Should be good. Get some connectors upside down. Put it through without losing the sequence. They look pretty good all the way through. So you crimp it. You do the same thing on the other side. Strip it. 1 inch or so. Cut the cable. I mean fiber, white fiber. And repeat the same thing. Yellow here, brown on the other side. And we start from left to right, yellow and white stripe, yellow, the other side brown, at the end, brown and one stripe, and we get the blue one. They are like brothers, they stay together on this side. Then we're gonna split the green, solid green and white. One to one side and one to the other one. So green stripe will be right beside the yellow one. In the middle will go the blue, and the blue and white. And the green gonna be right beside the brown and white. So this is the order. Stretch them as much as you can without losing the sequence. Okay. Then you cut it. Haven't lost the sequence. Make sure of that. So yellow, white, yellow, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. Upside down the crimper connector and put it right through. And it should be good like that. Then in the AP side, you want to crimp it, and it should be ready to go. Let's double check now with a cable tester. Sure that they in, turn it on, and once it goes up and down like that, that means that the cable is good, so you're ready to go. So this was actually a perfect crimp. I hope that you have learned something tonight. I will be doing the same thing in Spanish for our Hispanic IT technicians. Thank you so much, and keep in touch. I'm going to upload it to YouTube tonight. So thanks again. Bye.